IONIC electronic lock, multi-patented integrated secure locking system from UAP. Keep your customers secure by taking safety and easy use functionality to a whole new level. You can use an app, a fob, a push button on the inside, an override key, or a thumb turn. Allows everyone to enjoy safe and easy security every day. Designed with the user in mind. A more secure door system to protect the ones you love. The IONIC electronic lock was designed with a minimalist approach to a door. Beautiful and simple on the outside, modern and functional inside. Thanks to our revolutionary system, the IONIC electronic lock can be paired with one of our beautiful rose handles and matched with handles inside. The first lock that fits your lifestyle. Due to the simple installation and easy-to-use access control features, the IONIC electronic lock by Fullex-ai is ideal for any domestic property. IONIC by Fullex-ai.